Hello YouTube, this is it. This is the Bluetooth audio receiver by MediaTek. This audio receiver is a 4.1 version for music and voice communication. Its main selling point is that this is a really low-cost product that has a lot of applications, and this product from MediaTek is perfect for music and earphone listening, connecting it to your car stereo with an analog adapter and turn it to the Bluetooth capable device to connect with your smartphone, and it can virtually turn an analog audio device into a Bluetooth capable one. Now, what is more, this is a really great low-cost gadget to use with your smartphone, your tablet. It has a noise filtering technology and an internal battery, and I can easily tell that I cannot consider every possible scenario that this will be useful for anyone. So let's open this box and check closely the product itself and find out whether the applications of this low-cost gadget is worth your money and your time. So opening the box, we have a straightforward packaging with all the components and plus a manual that we'll check right away. So this is a foldable type, so we just have to unfold it like that, and here we have essentially the same specs in different languages, the physical properties of the product, information about the proper use and the connection guide. Just make sure to take a good read of this manual here before operating the product. So let's check now the product itself. As you can see here, we have an included cable for charging. This is a typical USB charger with a short cable that I'm not really fan of. This could be better. This is a typical USB to micro USB, but even at this price I would like to see a wall plug. Now here we have a male-to-male 3.5mm audio jack that is for connecting Bluetooth to analog. And last but not least, we have the Bluetooth receiver itself. As you can see here, we have the analog, and on the other side we have the USB charging one. You can connect it, well, actually like that. Now it is ready to charge, plus the analog jack. This can be connected with your earphones or any analog source on the other side. Now on top of the device we have some physical keys with a really clicky sound and feel, plus the microphone, and on the other side we have a clip for some hands-free action mounting option. So this was the unboxing of the MediaTek Bluetooth audio receiver. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, comment below if you find this useful, and as always from Tech, thank you for watching.